Hi everyone, welcome to today's session, and this is Gayatri here from TalentSprint. So in this session, we are going to be looking at some advanced level questions that appear from the coding decoding section in bank and SSC examinations. So let's directly start solving the questions, and here is the first question for today's session. In a certain code, commit also make policy is written as follows. Policy craze anger mobile is written as follows. Allow mild course price is written as follows. Craze manner pump artist is written as follows. Now here again, if you see commit, how many letters are there in the word commit? C-O-M-M-I-T. There are 6 letters. Okay, here there are 6 letters in this word. 4, 4, 6. Now in the code you can see 4, 6, 6, 4. So basically the last, in the pattern is in the end they are using the number of letters in the given word. Correct? So if you are taking mild, what is going to be your last letter? It is going to be 4. And now from at this point itself you can arrive at the answer for this particular question. How is that? See, allow mild course price is written as follows. So in this sentence there is only one word which has 4 letters in it, that is mild. So automatically I can say that the code for mild is going to be %D4. So it's going to be option B. Very easy to solve, as I said. See, we just found out one thing, that the last pattern, in the pattern the last space is filled by number of letters in the given word. So once we know that, we can see that mild is the only word in this sentence which has 4 letters in it. So the code for mild is obviously going to be %D4. So once I got that, answer is done. But can you all tell me what is the pattern used for the other 2 places? Now this one was very easy, right? What are the last letters here? T-O-E-Y. Correct? So here also you have E-Y-T-O. So the second position is actually the last letter of the given word. Correct. Now what is the first letter, position? How do you take the first position? See, if you see all the words that is given in the sentence, okay, C-A-M-P, correct, that is the first letters in the first sentence. If you see it is C-A-M-P, here P-C-A-M, A-M-C-P, C-M-P-A. So the first letters, right, they keep repeating in each of the sentences. And here let us look at the symbols also, %, exclamation, hash and at. So they also keep repeating. So what can we say? See, we have 4 letters that generally appear in the beginning, C, A, M and P. Correct? They appear in different ways, like P comes first, C comes second. That is not important for us right now. And we can see there are only 4 symbols. Correct? %, exclamation, hash and at. So what can I say? Basically each letter is given one particular symbol. Now we can also find out which letter is given which particular symbol, right? By checking. By checking you will get P is actually coded as exclamation. See, we found out that M is %D4, that is mild is %D4, right? So you can say M is coded as %, A is coded as at, and C is coded as hash. But to solve this particular question, all these are not necessary. As I said, you can have sub-questions from this question. In that case, this might be helpful. So I hope all of you got how to find the symbols for the other letters as well. There shouldn't be an issue. So let's move on to the next question. So this is the next question. What does this stand for? Again, if you have found out this information, no, P is equal to exclamation. Let us just write this down here as well, so that let us see if we can use that. A, at and M is %. Now they have asked what does this stand for. So what is the answer that you get for this? Give me the answer before I solve. See, to solve this question, actually if you have some information, like let us say, again you needn't actually sit and find out each word. There is again a small clue that is given in the question. Okay. Now what have they given? Hash E6. So what does that mean? See, there are the first letter, okay, there are 6 letters, okay, for if you're taking the code, this is the code. If you're taking the corresponding word for this code, hash E6, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know that the last letter is going to be E. So this much I am clear. Now I also know that C stands for hash. So this is going to be C. Now let me take the next word, hash E5. Here again what do I know? This particular word has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters in it, and the last letter is going to be E. Again, there is a hash here, means the first letter is going to be C. Now, if you look at the options, there is only one option which satisfies this. Okay, there are 2 words with C, but there are 6 letters in each of these words. So, this is not the correct option. Here, there is only one word with C. There should be 2 words with C. So, this is also not the correct option. This is also not the correct option. So, the answer is going to be option B. Directly you can say. So, see, if you know the code for C is hash, you know that there are 2 words in the for this code which will start with C. If we know that, directly we can eliminate these 2 options. We are left with these 2 options, and then we also see that these 2 letters, course and commit, both are 6-letter words. But we need one 6-letter word and one 5-letter word. That is there only in option B. So, we take it as option B. Now, if you are solving, again you will get it as correct. See, O4. So, here this is a 4-letter word, correct? ALSO. Last letter is O. This is A. Or if you had found out this first, no, this at 04, that is, it starts with A and ends with O, then again you can eliminate these 2 options. You will be left with these 2. But again, you know that there should be 2 C's, so it has to be this. Anyways, you can arrive at the answer from the options. So, I hope that's clear. So, I hope this session was useful to all of you. If you do like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and do check out our website www.talentsprint.com to know the courses that we offer. So, I'll see you in the next session, and this is Gayatri signing off till then. Take care.